Hey lovelies, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot. Now 3 months ago I did a review on my channel, the Nebulyft N1 Micro RF anti-aging device, and today I'm going to share with you the awesome app that they have. If you happen to have gotten one of these, you're going to definitely want to try out their app because it tracks everything for you to help you get the most out of your Nebulyft. To use, you just want to download from the App Store, click it open, and connect to your Nebulyft by turning on the Nebulyft. And you'll see it there, click connect, and it should connect to your device and then start recording info and data for you to help you with your experience. Once you're logged in and connected, the app will start grabbing information from your Nebulyft. It will show you exactly the charge on your Nebulyft so you know if you need to charge it. And then it will also show the last connection as well as the strength, so you can see here you're selecting either sensitive, neutral, or tolerant. So I went with tolerant. And then you can also see that you can see the temperature there. I'm at 22.5 so far, and you'll see that go up. You'll see here on the bottom menu, you can get info about your device, shop, and discover reviews, and more. So here I've clicked shop, and you can actually browse products within the app, check discounts on your phone, which is super handy. And you can purchase a new model or order your gel refill. You can also watch tutorials here and see others' reviews and how they're using their Nebulyft. So I love watching it to see other people and their results and their experience using the Nebulyft. You can also see the latest news and events from Nebulyft here as well. You'll also see another menu here where you can check the warranty and your device as well as any new firmware you need, or check out the manual for your Nebulyft here. If you're having any issues or questions with your device, you can contact Nebulyft directly through the app here by sending them an email, and you can get any feedback here as well. Next to the battery life on the main menu, you can click the link over here on the bar, and it will show you your device use log. So here's where you can track every day that you use the Nebulyft, what temperature you reach, the strength level that you used, as well as how many minutes you used it each time. So it's super easy to use. I've loved using this app for the last about couple of months that I've been using this. I've been using this for 3 months. I've been using the app pretty steadily now for at least a month. And it's been really great in helping me with my journey and just getting the most out of my awesome device. If you haven't got the Nebulyft R1 F1, I highly recommend it. Be sure to watch my previous video to see my review. And I just wanted to share with you, after 3 months of using it, my experience. Like, I have been so impressed with this product, you guys. It is a must-have for anyone. It is a little pricey, as you know, most at-home anti-aging treatments are, but definitely well worth the money, you guys. If you use this daily, you're gonna see big results really quickly. In fact, I noticed an amazing result with just super glowing skin after the first use. But using it over time, and now I've been using it 3 months, I am really getting some amazing results. So my skin, I had a lot of sunspots, I did, but now I have none. Like, they are gone, they've completely faded. I know wintertime also helps, I haven't seen a lot of sun, but my Nebulyft has done an amazing job at getting rid of and fading all of the sunspots. And then of course, lines and wrinkles. I am 41, that is definitely an issue. The crow's feet, as you can see, I have them. But I have definitely noticed a significant decrease in the wrinkles, especially around my eyes. I mean, they're a little bit there, but it's definitely gotten better. And then of course, I just feel like my skin is just glowing and radiant after every use. I find it really soothing to use at night. It's relaxing, it doesn't hurt at all. And then it has 3 different levels for sensitive to more tolerant skin. I find that I can use the tolerant level no problem every time. And it just works amazing. My skin feels soft and supple, yet it feels like more firm and hydrated as well, which is really good for me. My skin tends to be dry and it can get flaky and cakey, but it's done a really good job at just keeping it plump, and it just feels hydrated. So I feel like it's kind of giving the skin a good lift too. I use it on my neck as well and just kind of use it in an upward motion, and I feel like it's really done a good job of just making my skin feel a little lifted. I mean, I don't notice much of a whole lot at 41 in that area, but to me, it kind of feels like it is getting a lift. But for sure, the biggest difference is the sunspots are gone, and then the fine lines and wrinkles, it really seem to be minimizing. So really love that. And then just the beautiful glowing skin that I have after every use. I just feel like my skin is looking its absolute best, super radiant. I get a lot of compliments on my skin lately, and I know I owe it all to my Nebulyft. So I highly recommend trying it out. If you guys are sick of the signs of aging and just want to get that, you know, at spa treatment but at home, definitely try them out. So be sure to check them out at nebulyft.com. And I hope you guys like this video. Please share with anyone you think might be interested. Comment below if you have any questions for me. If you've tried it, I would love to hear your experience. And be sure to subscribe for free weekly awesome content. All right, thanks so much for watching, you guys.